Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast, where learning English is easy and full of smiles.
Hi, friends. I'm Daniel, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're learning real English for shopping at the general store.
Oh, yes, the general store, a small shop where you can buy almost everything.
Exactly. You can buy food, drinks, soap, toothpaste, and even batteries.
I love general stores. You go for one thing and come back with 10 things.
So true.
Before we start, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who love learning English.
Yes, because every time you listen, your English gets better and better. Sarah, how's your day going?
It's good. I went to the general store this morning.
Oh, really? What did you buy?
I bought milk, bread, and chocolate.
Always chocolate, Daniel.
Yes, chocolate makes me happy. What about you, Sarah?
I'm great. It's a sunny day and I'm ready to shop and learn English.
Perfect. Let's go shopping together in English.
Let's do it. Hi, Daniel. Let's go into this general store.
Yes, I see so many things here. Look at all the shelves.
Shelf means a flat surface where items are placed. The plural is shelves.
Oh, yes, the shelves are full of things: chips, rice, soap, and water bottles.
Okay, I need to buy some sugar. Where is the sugar?
I think it's on that shelf near the flour.
Oh, yes, I see it. A big bag and a small bag.
Which one do you want?
I'll take the small one. It's cheaper.
Good word. Cheap means not expensive.
And expensive means it costs a lot of money.
Right. For example, sugar is cheap, but a big TV is expensive.
Good example. Okay, let's take a basket.
Basket means a small container to carry your shopping items.
Yes, now I'll put sugar and some tea in the basket. What about you?
I want to buy some chips and a drink. Oh, look, there's orange juice.
Perfect. Let's go to the cashier.
Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
We're good, thank you.
Do you have everything you need?
Yes, just these items, please.
Okay, that will be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your change.
Receipt means the small paper that shows what you bought.
And change means the money you get back after paying.
Yes, for example, if something costs $5 and you give 10, you get $5 change.
Exactly. Thank you, cashier.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Let's quickly explain the new words we learned today.
Yes, here we go. Number 1, general store, a small shop that sells many everyday items.
Number 2, item, a thing you buy. For example, sugar, bread, and soap are items.
Number 3, shelf, where items are placed in the store.
Number 4, basket, the small container you use for shopping.
Number 5, cashier, the person at the counter who takes your money.
Number 6, receipt, the paper that shows what you bought.
Number 7, change, money you get back after paying.
Number 8, cheap, not expensive.
Number 9, expensive, costs a lot of money.
And number 10, price, how much something costs.
Perfect. These words are very useful when you go shopping.
Let's practice together, friends.
Repeat after us.
Daniel, I'm at the general store.
Good.
I'm buying some items.
Nice.
The cashier gives me the receipt.
Excellent.
Sugar is cheap.
And the TV is expensive.
Very good, everyone. You sound great.
You're doing amazing. Don't worry if it's slow. Practice makes perfect.
Daniel, I like going to the general store. It feels friendly.
Yes, Daniel. And when we smile and say hello, shopping becomes more fun.
That's true. Kind words make everyone's day better.
Yes, even small things like saying thank you can make someone happy.
Friends, when you go shopping, try to use English and be kind.
Because kindness is free and it's never out of stock. Haha.
That's so true.
Thank you so much for listening to Mr. English Podcast today.
We hope you learned how to talk at the general store.
Now, tell us in the comments, what do you buy at your local store?
Yes, write your answer in English.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who love learning English.
See you next time for more fun English.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye and happy shopping.